This bad. We can't wait till it come out.
It's that trailer for Jamaican Anime. Big up to the publisher. They said they want some GoFundMe.
Jamaica has been at peace for over 30 years since the end of the Great Dopey War.
Look, no beans! A Kaito! Kaito!
My child, I know this day would have come, but I don't want you to suffer the same fate as your parents.
The name is
And they capture New Kingston and Kingston Emancipation Park.
Perfectly.
And your grandfather. It's time for you to join the Order of the Yardi Vanguard. A new evil has risen, and he has gotten his hands on the heart of Daroth, Lord of the Dopey.
I will avenge the Kingdom of Britannia and rule Jamaica once and for all.
I go see. We are going to rule Jamaica.
Are you ready, Kaito?
Cutlass with Ethiopian Amrik rolling Yav. Hey, Jamaican no dopey. Hey,
Visit JamaicanAnime.com to see how you can help to produce the anime.
Hold on there.
This is my favorite
Oh, you're my
part.
grandfather.
Long ago, I met your grandmother. We fought together to trap the Duppy in the Silk Cotton Tree portal. During battle, I was pushed in by Daroth, trapping me in a timeless prison. However, there was a special night with your grandmother.
boy. Hey.
Girl, your pum pum fatana.
This bad now, but not like this bad. We can't wait till it come out.